Hey all and welcome back to another video. I've upgraded to the current gen with an Xbox Series S. Description on this one stated no power and was listed actually as an Xbox One. So it's a little risky, but here it is. You can obviously see it's in the Series S. So let's get it unpackaged and turn it on and test it together. So just taking out the wrapper, and the back cover isn't on properly with the screws. So a little bit nervous on this one. HDMI port's fine, and hopefully it's not the power, the PSU, otherwise that'll be not much profit. Right, power cable. I have the power cable. So that's in. I could hear a little bit of a pop when I pressed that then. So 3, 2, 1. Immediately off. So it doesn't seem to be the PSU. Let's get it opened up and see what's inside. Here it is. And out you come. Oh dear God. Yeah. That is a mess. That is a big mess. So we got water damage all over. Even inside there. You can see where it's popped. Let's get it under the scope so we can see it a bit better, but I think this might be cooked. Okay. Alrighty then. So that's the damage just there. Let's get this light over here a bit more. Shiny old light on there. So some sort of explosion here. And then we have all of the mess down here. And that's just what I first spotted. So right here is the USB one here. This is the HDMI just here. So I don't know, should we just give it a clean and see what's happened there? See how far down that's gone. Got my trusty toothbrush here. And let's just flood the whole thing. The IPA. And time to start scrubbing. Anything that doesn't stay on doesn't deserve to be there. So if I knock anything off, then it comes off. What do you reckon the chances are it changes the boot sequence what was happening before now? Let's have a look. Let's get rid of that one. And flip this over. And there's no point running the fan, is there really? Nothing's going to happen with it. Let's jump back over to here. Right, so which way does this go on? This goes on like that, I believe. Go, and we need the front board, don't we? Where is the power thingy? Yep. Whoa. That's just fried it. So I'm just going to give it a quick clean inside of there. Annoyingly, this wasn't worth buying. It cost 50 something quid. I'm not sure what. I might be able to sell some of the parts, but not much of it. Not sure how many people want to buy a fan. Even this case is pretty much shot, isn't it, really? Oh well, you win some and you lose some. Definitely lost it on this one. So there we have it. Put it all back together. I didn't put the front button. I didn't put the front button back on, just so there's no one's going to try and turn it on without taking it apart first, which I think is the most sensible thing to do. I will try and sell it. Definitely not going to get my 60 quid back, but if I can get 30 maybe, that'd be good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe maybe. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Definitely not comfortable trying to take it any further than where we got it to. So, bye.